Earlier on, I saw someone comment on my video, which is this video, and say that he can't even get started to read a book. Honestly speaking, I never thought of it as an issue, so please comment down below if you too face the same situations. Now, it's good that you can learn a lot of things from reading a book, but how do you get started? So in this video, I'm going to share with you the 4 secrets that has been helping me to start reading a book and keep it as a habit even until today. First secret, pick any book that you like. It's not a must to be a non-fiction book, a business-related book, or like personal development book. None of them. It could be a comic, it could be funny storybook, or it could be like horror storybook. It doesn't matter. And I personally, I start off with A Dog's Journey or A Dog's Purpose. It's a great book, by the way. So the main intention here is just to get used of holding a physical book and really to get the momentum going on. Secret number 2, to read only a page of the book a day. I know it sounds funny, but trust me, it works because that's how I get started as well. And that is something to do with the 2 minutes rule, which I explain here in this video itself. So watch it if you haven't already. So of course, it's like a learning curve, right? So today you read a page. So maybe after a week, you get used to it. You start reading 2 pages a day, 3 pages a day, and eventually a chapter a day. When you just get started, the moment you finish up only a page, you will feel like, oh my God, I finally did it. And that is like an instant satisfaction. Then, over the time, you will realize one thing, right? When you finish reading a book and you really want to find out what happened next, you will go on and read the 2nd page, the 3rd page, and maybe entire chapter. It is just like how advertisements work. So when you are watching until a peak and then the advertisement pop out, but you will stay. You will stay to watch the entire ads and then you go on to find out what is going to happen next. So you see, it really takes no discipline, it takes no miracle for you to start reading a next page. Alright, it's just all human nature to find out what is going to happen next. Now the next secret, which is the secret number 3, to have a checklist. Every time after you finish reading a page, and I'm assuming that you are just getting started, check off the box on the checklist to get the instant satisfaction. So what I did in the past is that I would design my own bookmark. So inside the bookmark itself, I have a different box, okay? Each box represents a page. So every time I finish reading 1 page, I'll just check the list and then I will slip that in, I close the book and I leave that aside. So the next day, I'll come back and read the 2nd page. And then after 2nd page, I'll check the 2nd box, close it and leave it aside. And what you have to do next is just keep repeating the same process. So out of a sudden, your focus shifts from reading a book to checking off the list. Maybe you find it a little bit odd or you find it a little bit weird, but trust me, I have used that before and I can tell you it works. So the last secret, which is the most important one and at the same time, it is the most difficult one. And it is to trust the process and stay consistent throughout the entire journey. You know, we all are human beings. Someday, maybe you feel a little bit tired or maybe you feel a little bit demotivated and you just don't feel like reading the book. We all experience that. But do not ever let that stop you from reading only 1 page a day. Reading just a page is not even going to take you 3 minutes. The first day, you skip reading 1 page. That means the 2nd day, you will have to read 2 pages instead of just 1 page itself. And that is hard because you are just getting started. And what I believe is this, if you skip it for 2 times, that is the time that you are about to give up. So do it no matter what. It's just a page a day and I believe you who are watching this can definitely do it. Try it out, come back and tell me whether it works or not. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you click the like button. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button for more videos like this. Until then, let's read more books.